Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we're tackling a common challenge, installing VMware Tools in your Android x86 virtual machine. VMware Tools are incredibly important. They provide better graphics performance, allow for automatic screen resolution adjustments, enable seamless copy-pasting between your host and guest OS, and generally make your virtual machine experience much smoother and more integrated. Installing them in Android x86 can seem a bit complex, but don't worry, I'll guide you through every single step in simple language to get it done. First, power on your Android x86 VM within VMware Workstation or Player. Once your VM is running, navigate to the VMware menu at the top of your screen, typically found under VM or Player-Manage-Install VMware Tools. This action will mount the VMware Tools ISO file to your virtual CD/DVD drive, making its contents accessible inside your Android VM. Next, within your Android x86 VM, you need to open the terminal application. You can usually find it in the app drawer or by searching for terminal. Once the terminal is open, the very first command you'll type is su and then press enter. This grants you root privileges, which are essential for the installation process. You might see a prompt asking for permission. Make sure to grant it. Now, we need a place to access the contents of the mounted CD-ROM, so create a new directory by typing dir/mnt/cd-rom and pressing enter. After creating the directory, mount the virtual CD-ROM to this new location by typing mount t-iso 9660/dev/sr0/mnt/cd-rom and pressing enter. If /dev/sr0 doesn't work, try /dev/cd-rom or /dev/sr1 as the device name. You should not see any error messages if the mount was successful. With the CD-ROM mounted, change your current directory to access its contents by typing cd/mnt/cd-rom and pressing enter. Inside this directory, you will see a compressed file, usually named something like VMware Tools x.x.xxxx.tar.gz. We need to extract this file to a temporary location. Type tar zxf VMware Tools -.tar.gzc/tmp/ and then press enter. This command extracts all the necessary files into the /tmp directory. Now, change your current directory to the extracted VMware Tools distribution folder by typing cd/tmp/VMware Tools distrib/ and pressing enter. Finally, to start the installation, execute the installer script by typing ./VMwareInstall.pl and pressing enter. The script will ask you several questions. For most of them, you can simply press enter to accept the default options, especially if you are unsure. Once the installation process completes, which might take a few moments, you need to reboot your Android x86 VM for the changes to take effect. Type reboot and press enter in the terminal. After your VM restarts, you should immediately notice the improvements. Your screen resolution should automatically adjust, and you'll be able to copy and paste text seamlessly between your host computer and the Android x86 guest. And that's it! You've successfully installed VMware Tools in your Android x86 virtual machine, unlocking a much more efficient and user-friendly experience. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment below with any questions you might have, share it with anyone who could benefit from it, and consider supporting the channel by subscribing for more useful tech tutorials like this one. See you next time!